Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Here from Pattaya, Thailand. Yes, we're back. Anywho, we're going to have a little mooch around the city and a top TerryTracker tip. Is that right? The TerryTracker top tip. That'll be better. As for free parking, park at Central Festival shopping mall. Great parking, and like I say, it's free. Now our first port of call, because this is our first day, is to go exchange some money. Now we always find the TT exchange boxes to have the best rates. But when we were in Central Festival there, the exchange box in there, we checked the rate and it was the same as what we seen in the TT boxes last night. So if you're in Central Festival, it might be worth just going to that one. But I'll let you know in a minute when I've been to this one to see if it's the same rate. It was 44.65 baht per pound at the one in Central. Well, scrap everything I've just said, because we've just seen another exchange box, which is Thai #1 exchange, which tends to be not as good as the TT, and that was 45 baht per pound. So we'll go check out the TT, see what that's like. So what you're looking for on the TT currency exchange are these yellow and black boxes, but it has to be TT because there is some copy ones. 45.05, so this one's slightly higher. So there you go, TT money exchange still seems to be the highest rates in Pattaya. There's lots of them yellow and black boxes around. Just make sure that you get the right one, because like I say, there is some copy ones which are yellow and black, but they don't have TT currency exchange written on them. Another thing to note is, on the notes, note on the notes, is there must be clean notes, no tears, no rips, and no writing on them. You know how sometimes the bank writes on them? They will turn them down. So we've come into the Pattaya night bazaar to spend some of the money we've just exchanged. And as you can see, it's like a huge indoor market. There's lots of lines, like lots of lanes going this way and left and right. A lot of them don't like you filming here because, well, they'll sell genuine knockoff stuff. You can get Rolexes, Patek Philippe's, everything in here. Gucci, you name it. Getting a custom shirt made by Mr. Lucky, and I've seen him on YouTube before, and I've seen his work before.
Yeah,
that's why we're here.
10 different YouTubers.
Yeah, I've seen you before.
Properly, you know, the workmanship we do a little bit better than other. Pocket or no pocket on the shirt?
Pocket, yeah.
Yeah.
One pocket.
Yeah. That's big. When you say the size, say it a few inches bigger.
Okay.
What was that, 20-inch bicep,
Right.
Mr. Lucky?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is. Professor, can you write for me name, sir, please?
So there you go, I've got 2 custom shirts being made by Mr. Lucky, and the cost was 3,000 baht for the 2 shirts. That's for both of them, not each. Works out about £33 each-ish. A lot of money for a shirt in Thailand, but for a made-to-measure shirt in a custom fabric, yeah, that's fine. Oh, and I got it lined up, so when you fasten it, doesn't have like mismatched on the pattern, you know what I mean? Anywho, there is lots of other tailors, so take your pick, but I have seen Mr. Lucky on YouTube before, and they seem to do quite good work. So as we were saying about the fake TT exchange, there's the one there. They do exchange money, but just not at the same rate. Another good thing with parking at Central Shopping Mall is it's in the name, it's central. So this is Second Road, and it's halfway along Second Road, and when you walk through Central Festival in a lovely aircon, you come out on the other side of it, which is Beach Road. So you're right in the middle of either Beach Road or Second Road. So on hot days like today, we've just been on Second Road to the night bazaar, and we want to go on Beach Road. So you may as well cut through the shopping mall, centre of Festival, and soak up all the lovely AC. So we've decided to stop at the Market Bistro and Grill. It's a little bit more expensive. It is upmarket though. Just to people watch on Beach Road. Mango milkshake and a chang. Hey! Posh Hawaiian pizza. So I've just jumped on one of these fellas here, and this is a BART bus. It's 15 baht. You jump on the back of it, push a buzzer when you want to get off. It does like a full loop. Now it goes down Beach Road and then up Second Road. It does stop and shut you off at the start of Second Road to charge you again, but it's 15 baht per person. But never ask the driver how much, because he'll tell you 100 baht or something like that. Just give him 15 baht, cup and cap, thank you, and walk away. So there is the new walking street sign. It's flickering a bit on this camera, but it doesn't flicker in real life. That's just the shutter speed. But yeah, we're going to have a walk down Walking Street during the day. So cars are allowed during the day. So although it is Walking Street, it's also Car Street today. Hey! Lots of building work going on down Walking Street. And this looks like it's a go-go bar. And it's obviously geared towards Chinese. I don't know if it'll be Chinese girls there. I think it's probably just geared towards the Chinese tourists. And if it's anything like the Russian ones, it'll be expensive. Because we got caught with a Russian one last time we were here. Bought one drink and went, nah, that's the price of 10 somewhere else. So we quickly evacuated. And when the girls do the dance, yes, okay, the girls are better dancers than the Thai girls. They are. You just can't argue it because they actually put some effort in. But after the dance, they come and demand that you give them a tip. Like literally demand. They'll sit there and say, "I need tip for dance. I need tip for dance." And then when you give them a tip, they go, "Oh no. It's a minimum of, what was it, Emma?
100.
A minimum of 100 baht. Yeah. So, and the price of the drinks, like I say, was near enough 10 times the price of a drink in another bar. It cost us like nearly £10 for a bottle of beer. We're like, no, let's get out of here. And we will not go into a Russian go-go ever again. But anywho, getting back to the subject, that one is obviously geared towards the Chinese. I wonder if that'll be the same. So we've decided to have a walk up a couple of the side sides off Walking Street. And we've just walked up side 15 just to have a look, see what's about. And yeah, more bars, more go-go's. And we're just seeing a show bar, which we might even go to at some point. So we've just come back off Second Road and back down. This is Soi Diamond towards Walking Street again. So like I say, we're just checking out the little side soys, because you never know what you might find. I know what I will find on this one. My favourite go-go bar, the Windmill. There it is, my local club. and there's Walton Street. So we've come out of Walton Street, we've turned right, and we're going to head up to Second Road, grab another BART bus back to Central, and then get into the car, because I'm pooped. Now something to watch with the BART buses, at the start of Second Road, so if you get on a beach road and you come round onto Second Road, like this, a lot of times they'll stop there, and then tell you to get off, and then you've got to pay again, and then they won't move again until they're full. So if you want one that's moving, go past these ones and then flag one over. So he's already stopping there, Emma. So yeah, we'll grab this BART bus. Then when you get to where you want to go, ring the bell and you'll stop. So like I say, they do stop at the start of Second Road and in between Second Road and Beach Road up that end, they stop there. They used to just do the full loop without stopping, but they like to stop and then charge you another 15 baht. So like I say, when you get to where you want to go, push the booter, the driver will pull over, sometimes in the middle of the road, and you just got to get out in the middle of the road, but that's just Thailand, isn't it? Go to the window, give them 15 baht. That's it. Don't say how much. Don't say there's 100 baht, how much? They'll say 100 baht and they'll just take it. Give them 15, walk away. So we're back at Central Festival Pattaya shopping mall. Going to end the video there. Hope you enjoyed our little mooch around on our first day here in Pattaya. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job. That means you've got to hit like, that means you've got to subscribe, it means you've got to comment, share and do all that good stuff, because 99% of my viewers aren't subscribed. That means you're not subscribed right there. So hit it. That's better.